Hello and welcome to my home. Yay! This is the grand tour. Say hi, doggy. Say hello. See, he says hello. This is Jeremy's room, which is shut. This is our living room. See, television, and the fireplace. And this is where the futon will go, and those are our windows. Futon and Papa's chair. We'll have a nice little ottoman here. This is the table that they left here for us. And those are our windows. And then over here, that's the utility closet, which has stuff in it. I'm not really sure. It's like all of our hammers and nails. Yeah, and jackets. But this is our kitchen. There's our refrigerator. I feel like I'm on Cribs. There's our kitchen. Look how pretty it all is. So nice and well lit. This is our stove. And then here's our oven and microwave. You can see me in the oven. See? Hello. Hi. That's our back door right there, which leads out. And I'd show you where it leads to, but I can't. The dog will run away. That's the wall. Here's the dishwasher and the sink. And our dishes. Again, oh, just so you know, here we go. That's what's in our kitchen. We are broke and have no food yet. See? Not much food, not much drink. But I'll shut it. And then down there's our freezer. Is that our freezer, dog? Yeah. See, he's saying hello. Say hi. Anyways, that's where our furnace and stuff is hiding. This is the bathroom. See? Hello. And we go in here, and that's Jeremy's bathroom and the main bathroom. See? Hello again. And then right here is where we do the laundry. I'm actually doing laundry right now. I'm going to turn the light off. And shut. See? Nice and shut. And then over here is my room. It's so clean. See? There's my closet. There's my wall. There's my bed and my desk. And then here's my bathroom. So there's my shower right here. This is my shower. And it's nice and big. Here, I'll open it up for you. See? There's my shower. Yay, shower stuff. And then over here is my sink. Say hi everyone, hello. And then there's the jacuzzi bathtub. Yes. And then right up there is, see, that is the window that got broken the other night. They were trying to get in my apartment because it's that cool already. See? Bathtub. More doggy. And that's just where my towels are hanging. So, that is my house. Thank you for coming. Bye.